In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a box plot using the graphing calculator. So first things first, we got to have some data inside of our calculator that we want to make a box plot for. So if we go to Stat and Edit, I don't have any data in here, so I'm going to have to enter some. So I'm going to pause the video for a second, I'll enter data, and then I'll come back. The data I entered was from 2.6.3, the box plot we made in class during week 3. So now that all my data is entered, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to stat plot. You can see right above the y equals, it says it has stat plot, but it's in blue. So I'm going to press the second key and then the y equals, and that takes me into the stat plots. And right now my plots are all off because that's usually how they start. So I'm going to choose the first one by just pressing enter. I'm going to turn my plot on. So now the black highlighted thing is on the on. And I'm going to change the type. Right now it's set up for a scatter plot, and we want to make a box plot, specifically a modified box plot. So I'm going to go to that one and press enter. So now that that's highlighted, it tells me my data is going to be coming from L1 with frequencies of 1 and asks how I would like to mark the outliers. So the rest of this looks good. If that's all set up, I'm just going to show you what it would normally look like. Now it says plots on. It shows me the little modified box plot with L1. The next piece, once you do this once, you'll never have to do that again. It's always going to be on. It's always going to grab data from L1. The only piece you're going to have to do from now on is tell it where that data is. So if you go to the zoom section, you want to go to zoom number 9, which is zoom stat. So what it's going to do is look at the stat plot, what the dimensions are that you want, and it's going to make your X and Y axes perfect for that. So you can just press the number 9 key if you want, or you can scroll down to zoom stat. If you press enter, it'll take you right to your graph. In this case, our modified box plot. And if you press the trace button, you can actually jump around your box plot to see all the different values that this thing is at. So it shows us the minimum values at 20, Q1's at 36, median's at 44, Q3's at 56.5. Our adjacent value doesn't even have a name, it just gets X, it's 85, and then our max was that outlier at 100. So this way, if you have a graphing calculator, you can actually double check your box plot using it. You'll still have to do the fence criterion to verify that something is an outlier, but this will let you check your work.